Hiya.
Surprise! I couldn't resist, could I? It's not every day that you turn one. Hey! Happy early birthday, sweetheart.
I'm going to put him some juice in this. I know it's a bit little, but it's never too early for a proper dingle birthday, eh?
Yeah, I'm sure I love that.
Yeah, we'll be having words later.
No, you won't. It's fine.
I missed it, have I? No, you're just in time. Aaron and Robert said they're sorry. They've got Seb.
Oh, no problem. Now, I need you out of the danger zone and into the spectator zone. Here, get that on.
Come and stand with us. Dad's still a bit anxious. Sorry.
Right. It gives me great pleasure to declare this, the Jerry Roberts Memorial Garden, open. When I say, Jerry, this isn't a Cat 4 rocket, and it won't get anyone arrested, but it is for you. We miss you terribly. And I hope this puts that cheeky grin on your face, wherever you are.
Charles told us about Seb. It must be tough.
Yeah. It's going to take some getting used to.
Yeah, I can't find that little welly anywhere.
Oh, I think I saw one of the kids chuck it on the fire earlier.
You're joking? I am sorry about that.
What? You'll look the same. Sue me. It'll be cute.
Oh, Mum, you shouldn't have got him all this stuff, you know. Must have been hard enough just looking at it all.
Yeah. I had a wobble, but I do love seeing him. It helps. Probably shouldn't, but it does.
I know what you mean. You know, I keep thinking about how they would have had each other, growing up together like a little brother and sister.
Turning us grey when they're teenagers, can you imagine?
Grace, the bad influence.
What, with him being brought up by you two? Get lost.
Rob just pulled his face. I think he needs saving from Lydia.
Time for them words, then.
Mum, just be nice, all right? We have sorted it out.
Does he still have to go back to Liverpool in the morning?
Yeah.
Not sorted then, is it?
Does he have to go back tomorrow?
How was Jerry's rocket?
Sad, but good. Don't change the subject.
I'm just trying not to think about it, Liv, OK?
Not giving him back?
Yeah.
Then don't. Look, I know that I'm better off here with you than I am with my mum. And he's the same.
Yeah, but that was different, wasn't it? You were old enough to decide. And Rebecca is a good mum. He'll be all right. Oh, yeah.
But if he stays here, then she'll come back, won't she? Meaning that he has everybody around him all together in one place.
Well, Robert's already agreed to let him go with them.
Well, he's stupid, and he's obviously gutted about it. Can't you just change his mind? Can't we just keep him?
You're missing the fireworks.
So are you.
Well, I think he needs a... Yeah, needs an happy change first. Dropping him everywhere.
You know, if you could ask him, he'd pick you. He should stay with us, and you know it.